Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Udid disability card. First, understand its purpose and gather all necessary documents. The entire application process is conveniently online, so you'll need to meet specific eligibility criteria. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what's required for a smooth and successful application. To begin your Udid card application, you'll need several key documents. These include proof of identity, such as an Aadhaar card or voter ID, and proof of address. A recent passport-sized photograph is also required. Most importantly, you'll need your disability certificate, if you already have one, to verify your eligibility. The online application process is straightforward. Start by visiting the official Udid portal. You'll need to register and create a unique user ID and password. Then, carefully fill out the application form with your personal, disability, and other relevant details. Finally, upload scanned copies of all your required documents before submitting your application. After submitting your application, you can easily track its status on the Udid portal using your enrollment number. Once your details are verified and assessed by medical authorities, your Udid card will be generated. You will typically receive an SMS notification when it's ready. You can then download the eUdid card or collect the physical card from the designated office.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.